Hello traders, Mike Mohebi here. Today is, as you can see, 11th of September. It's 5 to 6 a.m. in Melbourne, Australia, and definitely it's 10th of September in New York and London. Still, markets are closed there. It's not open yet in Sydney, so if you have a couple hours, so market open in Sydney and then after that in Tokyo. Let's take a look at the weekly charts, the weekly outlook, see what happened in the past week and what we can expect in the next week. This is oil. As you remember, we had a very good bullish move during the past week and the end of the previous week, the week before, but on Friday the oil crashed. It came down from 49.2, 47.2, about $2, but closed at 47, as you can see, 47.529. So we drew this Fibonacci of this pin bar, and then it hit our target probably about halfway here in less than, it's about 3 days. So you would be great in this good position in oil. This big candle broke all the three moving averages that we work with. Okay, so it's a kind of a signal for us that the market is expecting that the oil gonna go down. So when the oil goes down, it means that the US dollar is getting stronger. And we're gonna take a look at the gold and silver as well, but that's what we expect normally. Where is your USD? This is EURUSD. It's the daily chart again. We have this ceiling here, this resistance line. We had two pin bars, one 2 weeks ago, one now, and it shows that the market's gonna go down. So when the EURUSD goes down, it means that the USD is getting stronger, and that's what we expect in oil as well. So USD getting stronger, the oil goes down. This is gold. Gold broke this level, 1337 level. Last week it had a little bit of problem at the end, beginning of the week, but it broke finally on Thursday, and Friday we had this pin bar here. We don't expect that the gold drop, but it's gonna be a retracement around this area because it had a very big sharp move during past 2 weeks. And see this area here, the gold is kind of resting, taking its breath. It's gonna probably happen something around this area the same. So we just wait to see what happens. And as I said, the US dollar is getting stronger, so the oil is gonna go down a little bit. So we expect a down move. Don't trade in an hourly or 30-minute chart, but probably you can get some good trades there. This is silver versus US dollar. As you can see again, it broke these levels, but on Friday it just moved back, and still is a bullish move. So do not trade as a bearish one, so just wait. And the next one is silver versus Australian dollar. Here we have a flag. This is the pole of the flag, and that's the actual triangle flag that we have here. This pole is about 120 pips. If it breaks up, it's gonna go 120 pips, so we just wait. But the market is just, the price is like stuck under these two big strong resistances that we have here, so that's why it just price is fluctuating under this ceiling. It tries to break it, but hasn't been successful so far. So maybe the market drops back to take some power and then goes higher again. So that's, maybe we have a bearish move during this week. It's the same as the gold versus US dollar or silver versus US dollar, so we just wait and wait. Okay, next one, GBPUSD. This was beyond imagination. It started from Tuesday and Wednesday, Thursday, Friday even. It just hit our 423 target, We drew this Fibonacci about probably about end of previous week, the week before, 31st of August. And yeah, this USD, GBP got stronger and USD got weaker. Everything got together and this pair just moved very fast. I had a small position in this, but I hit my target. I got out very soon, so I just watched it moved very fast. Next one, Euro CAD, Canadian dollar. Again, this one moved very good during the past 2 weeks, and if you had any position here, you would be in a very good situation, very nice profit. We had this doji here and the bullish candle on Friday, so probably market's gonna retrace a little bit. We just wait. I don't have any signal. I don't see anything at the moment. This is an event area. It's very strong, so the market is stopped there. That's a kind of a sign that the market is trying to reverse, maybe, or at least fluctuate a little bit. Yeah, see, this is a very strong resistance here. We have 1, 2, 3, and this is the fourth one that the market stops in this resistance line. So we just wait until we get a good signal. Like, see, this area is, let me zoom in again. This area is took about 2 weeks until market decided to move higher. So we just wait until market decides which way it's gonna go, and then if we see any signal, we just get in. GBPCHF, we have this Fibonacci here, a lot of fluctuation here. Market is stopped under this resistance line. It cannot break through, but because it's above all the 3 moving averages, we expect that the market goes higher. It's not a sure thing, but we expect it to be a bullish move. EURGBP is, it's kind of a very good move, you know. It moves in various strong directions. You see, every time it starts to move, it goes beyond what we expect. So it just you will see very nice moves, no fluctuations much. It just, the trend starts and then it goes up and down. And this one is the same. Probably a market closed on Friday under all these candles before, so we expect that the market's gonna drop the next week as well. And I drew this Fibonacci about 2 weeks ago, and I put this arrow, if you remember, if you have watched my previous videos, I put this arrow here about the same, like 2 weeks ago. I said the market's gonna go down, but I didn't expect that the market just goes straight down this much. Maybe it's a retracement, we don't know. We wait. Let's do something. We draw a Fibonacci from this move, and as you can see, market came down up to close to 38.2 level. So maybe it comes down up to 50, I don't know, and then it starts moving up again. But at the moment, it's trying to catch its breath. It's just like resting, you see. It's not a very sharp move. It's just one up, one down, one up, one down. So it's just market is trying to rest, to try to figure out what's gonna do. The sellers and buyers are fighting, but the general direction is downward. So if you had an entry here, or maybe after this one even, you would be in a good position, 70 pips, or on top there, probably about 140 pips. So if you see any signal, again, market retraces, small movements, you get in. But at the moment, yeah, I think the next week, this week is gonna be a very good bearish move in this pair, because the market on Friday closed under all of these candles. So this candle is just like engulfing candle, covered the previous candle. So I think the market's gonna drop on EURGBP, because GBP is getting, remember GBPUSD, GBP got very strong last week. This is gonna rest probably. So if it rests, that GBP is gonna rest, and Euro gonna get stronger. So this one gonna go back, but the general idea, we don't know about the future, but the general thing that we see now is that the market closed under this the previous candles, and market's gonna drop. So let's see what happens today. Maybe it opens with a big gap. CADJPY was moving higher. We had this small resistance here, as I said. It broke. You could enter here, nice profit, 170 pips. But yeah, Friday market closed under the Thursday candle. We have very strong resistance on top here, and it just touched 161.8 again. Maybe it retraces and it's gonna move. It starts to move again. We don't know. As you can see, woo, very strong moves and trends in CADJPY. So we just wait. See, it opens. Maybe it opens higher. AUDJPY fluctuating, not much. We have a very big pin bar here. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a very big bullish move. What did I say? Big bearish, big bullish move. So, but at the moment, market hasn't decided yet. AUDUSD, bam. That's what I wanna show you. We had this small channel. The price broke through this channel, it went up, but we have this strong big pin bar here. So we, again, as we do always, we draw a Fibonacci of this pin bar, and we expect the market goes down. Not this much. This is just the direction of the market. Okay, this is not the target. Remember that. Market's gonna go this way, I expect. So if today when the market opens, you just see what happens. If there is a big gap downward, wait until the gap is filled, and then yeah, enter as a sell. I think market's gonna drop. GBPJPY again is fluctuating. We have these pin bars here all, and it's gonna be a bullish move, but still not much. EURUSD, I think it's gonna drop. EURUSD is not that much promising going upward. We have this pin bar here. It fulfilled our first Fibonacci, so we just deleted. We're done with that. So we expect the market drops until this. Let me draw a resistance line here, around probably around that area, under. Yeah, under this 261, close to 261 and 423. This is the area that the market's gonna go according to this pin bar. The last one that we're gonna look, USD-CHF, again, very amazing moves. We expected the market goes up, but it didn't. It came back, touched this zero line again, this resistance line. If it's a double bottom, maybe it goes back and we're gonna have a very good bullish move if it's a double bottom. But we just wait when the market opens, see what happens. Okay guys, this was for this week. I hope that we're gonna have very good moves and very good entry signals this week. Just check out my website. I updated my website. It's a new theme I installed. I have some courses. I'm working on it, so you can download it. It's very good. I'm gonna put all those indicators that I have a link. I have it's not ready, my website, and that part of my website is not ready yet. So as soon as I fix those issues, I'm gonna upload all these indicators and themes for you, so you can download it. Somebody asked in the comment sections that they need this resistance and support indicator. I will upload all those and put a link in the description. But follow me on Twitter. I update my Twitter very early, every day, so many times. So yeah, if you have any question, please ask in the comment section below. And if this is the first time you're watching my videos, please subscribe to my channel. And yeah, that's it. Thanks so much. Have a nice week.